Alright, let's get right into it. Here are 5 ways you can turn marketing blocks into a serious income stream, whether you're into affiliate marketing or you want to sell services as a freelancer. And yeah, I'll drop a free trial link down in the description, so you can check it out, risk-free. First up, sell funnels. This is hands down my favorite. With marketing blocks, I can crank out full landing pages, email sequences, even entire sales funnels for clients. People will pay good money for this, especially if you can deliver fast. I've charged anywhere from $300 to $1,000 per funnel, and the best part, the AI does most of the heavy lifting for me. Next, YouTube videos. If you're an affiliate marketer, this one's a no-brainer. I make simple product reviews and tutorials using marketing blocks. Sometimes I barely have to write the script myself. I just tweak what the AI gives me. Then, I drop my affiliate link in the description. Every sale for my video? That's passive income, baby. Honestly, tools like marketing blocks are saving me hours every week. If you want to see how it works, the link's below. And yes, you can start for free. Third, local business marketing packages. Small businesses are desperate for help with their online presence right now. I use the AI to whip up social posts, ads, websites, you name it. You can bundle everything together into monthly packages and offer it to local shops, restaurants, realtors. You get the idea. I've seen people make $500 to $2,000 a month per client doing this. Fourth, sell digital products. This is where things get really interesting. With marketing blocks, you can create lead magnets, full websites, sales emails, anything you need to launch your own info products. I've used it for ebooks, mini courses, and even templates. It cuts the creation time in half, and you can sell your products on autopilot. Last, freelance on Fiverr or Upwork. If you're looking for quick gigs, you can offer copywriting, video scripts, ads, even blog content, all powered by AI. Clients don't care how you get it done, as long as it's good and it's fast. And trust me, with marketing blocks in your corner, you can deliver both. Look, if you're ready to simplify your entire marketing process and start making real money along the way, definitely check out marketing blocks. The free trial link is in the description, plus I've added a special discount code if you decide to go through it. Take action, try it out, and I'll catch you in the next video.